Today, we're taking a look at the Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light with a smoked lens for the 2005 to 2015 Tacomas. This upgrade not only enhances your truck's rear end aesthetics with a slick smoked lens, but also improves safety by providing a brighter, more noticeable LED illumination on the back of your truck. This third brake light is equipped with modern LED technology, giving you a much brighter illumination when you compare it to the traditional halogen bulbs or that stock. It has a nice slick look on the back of the cab with this nice modern smoked lens, and it's really going to complement any other black accent you might have on the truck or help you complete that fully blacked out look. It's a simple plug and play install, which we'll show you here in a minute if you stick with us. This is one of the easiest ways to get a custom LED lighting look on the back of your truck that's going to set you apart from the rest of the pack. Constructed from durable ABS plastic housing and featuring a smoked polycarbonate lens, this brake light is built to withstand harsh weather conditions and everyday wear. It's weather sealed to prevent dirt, moisture, and anything else from affecting the internal electronics, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. As far as pricing goes, this is coming in right around that $80 price range, which is a pretty solid value for an upgraded LED lighting option. Installation on this is super simple since it's designed as a direct plug and play replacement, so we're going to rate this just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in 15 minutes or less of your time. Now, let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
For this install, you will need an impact and a T20 Torx bit. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a third brake light on our Tacoma, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is get up here and remove our original third brake light. So we've got our T20 Torx bit on our impact, and we're going to remove the 2 T20 Torx screws holding it in place. Now you want to be very careful not to drop these in between your bed and your cab. Your lens might want to come out separately. You want to just grab it and pull it off. And once you pull that out, you will have a connector back here. You need to press down and disconnect that. All right, so now we can install our new third brake light. Now this comes with an adhesive backing that is also a seal. So the first thing we want to do is take the cover off of that. And you can discard that. And we're going to take our connector, plug that into our factory body side connector. Make sure you line that up. You want that to click into place. Then we're going to gently set this in place. Get this lined up with our factory mounting holes. We're going to reuse our factory T20 screws. We'll get our first one started. We'll grab that T20 Torx bit again. We'll get that loosely in place and get our other one in. Tighten down that first one and you're good to go. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light and smoked lens for your 05 to 15 Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.